I don't know about you, but I'm a little tired of everything being 5 times the price it's supposed to be, up to and including taking a deer to the deer processor. So today, being cheap, I'm going to try out it came straight off Amazon. I'll get you the name of it. It's a KitchenAid attachment. We already had a KitchenAid, so why not give it a shot? But I'm going to try that out today, grinding up a little deer we're going to work up, see if it'll make a decent burger, and we're fixing to jump on that right now. Alright, this is the BQY Power meat mixer, meat grinder, food grinder attachment. Supposedly I can make sausage, which I have made some on it, but I hadn't made any hamburger with deer. So we're going to give it a whirl today, try it out, see if it works, see if it's something that can keep me from having to go to the processor. I don't know. We're fixing to find out though. Alright, this thing comes with a meat tray, the actual grinding tube that it goes through, the auger, the blade, an end piece where it pushes it through, which I'm not sure what you call it, but I'm sure somebody does, and you lock it in with that. Here's the KitchenAid, which we already had, so that's what made me think, hey, we can do it on the cheap. Got meat, which is already cold, already been cut up in small pieces, and we got some good cold fat, beef fat, because my opinion just really doesn't get better than beef fat. You could grind bacon, you could grind a Boston butt up in it. I'm going to do about 80-20, but I'm going to be eyeballing it, 80-20 meat to fat, so we'll see how this little jewel processes after I get it hooked up. Okay, pretty easy putting together. You slide the auger in, you lock your cutting wheel on, you got this back piece that is going to fit into the end of the KitchenAid. We'll do that right quick. Alright, that all went together pretty good. I'm going to slide it in to the end of the KitchenAid. Got all that into the end of the KitchenAid. Locked it down on this back side. See, we got a little thing here. Let's give it a test spin. Hey, looks like she's working. Alright, got the meat pan on there. I'm fixing to load it up with eyeballing an 80-20 mix, and then we're going to give it a whirl. Alright, I'm going to do the best I can do one-handed. I have to put this thing on a tripod. Okay, get this stick, this handy included. That's pumping it out pretty good. Not bad for a $34 attachment, which I'm sure was made not in the USA. So far, so good. It sips through the meat pretty quick. You can hear it bogging down a little bit on the fat. So I don't know that I would use this if I was going to be processing a lot. But so far, if you're doing 8 or 10 pounds, I think you can use this with no problem, especially for the cost. Beauty of this is Nobody's touched this meat but me. I worked it up, got this little thing I'm using with it, and you can put anything in there you want to, or not. You can go straight lean organic. It doesn't get more organic than straight off the farm and into the grinder. But let's face it, taste matters. I like to enjoy a good taste, and I'm putting enough fat to keep the burger together because we like to grill. So this will be grill patties, so we're making sure we got enough fat in there to bind that burger up. Alright, there's the end result. That is 2,632 grams, or just about 6 pounds. We did that in about 20 minutes. Not bad. I'll bag it up about a pound for us, just me and my wife. We'll bag those up, make them into patties. She'll use them in chili. But gotta try it out on the grill first. Alright, got the excess sealed up. I'm fixing to dress up this. Alright, go in packet of ranch. I won't use the whole pack, but about 2/3, about half. This is about 1.5 pounds that's left in here. Black pepper, actually tricolor pepper. Yeah, I like pepper. Just a little bit of olive oil drizzled. Hey, it's a healthy oil, heart healthy, unlike this ribeye fat which is in here now. Not going to overwork the meat, that'll make them tough. I know they're going to shrink some. So far it's staying together pretty good with the fat. I think it will stay together pretty good on the grill. Big homemade beef patties, actually deer patties, but you get the point. There's the finished product. Good gracious, those were outstanding. I mean outstanding. It's tender, juicy, had just the right grind. I give the finished product an A. I give the meat maker a B minus. But all in all, it worked. Hey, all in all, for 35 bucks, that's not a bad little gig. Now, are you going to put the bearded butchers out of business? I don't think so. Are you going to put your local processor out of business? Nope. But for doing a few pounds of meat, if you did one deer, what's one deer cost now at the processor? About 125 bucks. You do one deer, you've saved a ton of money. Appreciate you watching. We know it's been a minute since we put out a video. We're trying to get back on track, getting past hogs and COVID, and we appreciate you guys watching. See you next time. Thank the good Lord for creating this beautiful outdoors that we can enjoy. Thank Him, And thank you for watching. See you next time on the Whitetail Cartel.